day, my travels took me to Islamabad, Pakistan, where I was fascinated by the art of making a whole bunch of these amazing rotis or puris. So I finally went into a restaurant and I saw the guy making puri, and I asked him to show me how to make it. And here he is, stretching it out for me, doing whatever he does with his hands there to make it a little bit more stretchy, and then actually putting it in the oil, and before you know it, it all swells up and it was done. So I was told that this is actually puri, and it's amazing. It has a really good texture, and I was able to try it and really enjoy it. So there are a bunch of flour doughs there that they've already pre-made, and it's just a matter of stretching it out and frying it in this oil. Then the next guy on the other side was making paratha, which is a whole different method. I loved eating the paratha with eggs, actually. And on the street in Pakistan, I saw this guy making jelabi, or jelabi I think it's called, and it's such a unique way of making it. I absolutely enjoyed watching him make it in the oil. Such an amazing technique. I was fortunate to also see samosas being fried in the oil, and I was fascinated by the whole process. So delicious. Then I found so many amazing Pakistani desserts. I just love them. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.